Hey guys, Dave here, and we just arrived on site on this major home remodeling project you've been watching. We are already installing the sheetrock on the house. We just had it completed, so we're going to go inside. I'm going to show you how big this house really looks now. Let's take a look. All right, so the guys just wrapped up sheetrocking the house. This took about almost 3 days to wrap up, and we're walking through the garage here now. As we walk in through the garage, there's going to be a door right here, and immediately we have a utility room over here. We'll have 2 furnaces, hot water heater, and as you turn and look into the other side of the basement, this is a full walkout basement, finished. We have a full bathroom here. If you recall our prior videos, we had placed the plumbing in the locations that they needed to go. And we also have a sink over here, a little linen closet. As we walk further down, we have a second utility closet over here. This is going to power up the HVAC for this basement. We have a little closet under the stairs, another closet over there. We have the electrical panel, and here's an Anderson door walking out under the deck. All this has been reframed, the entire basement. This was an old kitchen down here, like a summer kitchen, some paneling with the walls. You can see the marks in the wall. There was a bedroom here and a bedroom here. And anyway, we stripped it all down. They had some plumbing in the floor. We pulled all that out. But anyway, everything's been redone here. Now, we also relocated the staircase. Staircase used to be over here. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you the rest of this first floor and second floor. All right, so we're walking up here. We walk right into the kitchen here. All this is the new kitchen. It's been relocated, brand new layout, and we also have a French door going out onto the deck, and everything here is all open. We have the fireplace. We're looking at the dining area right here. It's gonna be the living area, and one big open room, and then it walks through that archway. We have the front door right here, linen closet. As we walk in here, there's going to be a piano room right here, first floor office, and then we have a linen closet, bathroom, full bathroom, and then a guest room right over here next to the kitchen. Great size guest room, full closet again, and there's a lot of space here. This used to be, the ranch used to have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms here, all on this first floor, and this was their complete living area. Downstairs we went through, but the best part here, we added an entire second floor above everything you're looking at here. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you everything that's been added brand new. All right, so we're walking up the stairs here. Again, brand new staircase. There was no staircase in this house going up to this floor. This used to be just an attic. We pulled that off and reestablished a whole top floor, 3 full bedrooms and 2 bathrooms up here with a laundry. So as you get to the top of the stairs, you're gonna have a full railing going around here, looking down to the first floor. Beautiful arch top window, nice chandelier. Get to the top here. Here's your laundry, wash sink, and then the washer dryer. This is the bedroom, one of the bedrooms. There's 4 altogether. On this floor, there's 3. So we have a walk-in closet here, the bedroom, and then we have a Jack and Jill bathroom, which will have the tub right here. And then we'll have double sink unit on this wall with a private toilet. And then this opens up, another door into the second top floor bedroom. Notice all the Anderson windows. And right over here, each room has a walk-in closet on the top floor and a great size closet. And as we come out of the bedroom, we're back in the hallway again, which we started over there. Another closet here for the top floor. And then this opens up, double door into the master bedroom suite. So let's take a look in there. All right, so we're walking in. Now we have the soak tub on site, which we had delivered. And as you look around here, look at this beautiful 10-foot tray ceiling. And this is the full bedroom here, all in this area. Everything on the other side of that wall is the master bathroom and then the walk-in closet. So we're gonna explore that right now. We'll walk through, since the soak tub is blocking the door, we'll walk through, and this enters into the master closet. This master closet is approximately 16 by almost 16, and it's gonna be completely wrapped with shelves. We're gonna have a bench here, an island, a makeup vanity over there. There's a lot of room in this closet. And what's gonna happen is gonna be a door entering into the master closet, and then going back into the master bathroom, there's gonna be a pocket door here, and then another pocket door there. So 2 pocket doors, one from the bedroom, one for the closet. And as you walk in here, you're gonna have the soak tub right under the arch window. Look at this shower. It's a full walk-in shower. It's gonna be wrapped with glass, and you got a lot of room in this shower. It's approximately 7 by 5. And as we turn over here, on each side of the pocket door, we're gonna have his and her sinks. And then over here is a private toilet area. And once again, now this particular floor, we're gonna have radiant heat in the bathroom here. And that's all set up, switching's all set up, the mat's all set up. So once we do the tile, everything's in place and its wiring is already done. So it's a lot of pre-planning here, but look at the size of this place. Let's jump back into the master bedroom. Look at this beautiful master bedroom. The lights are set up in the ceiling there. We're gonna have a fan, and it's just, I mean, it's a great layout. 3 full bedrooms. You can see all the way to the other side there. All this was added. This is a brand new top floor. Just used to be an attic, rafters, and ceiling beams. Small little attic here, and we maximized the full space needed by the homeowners for this top floor. And we're right now in the finishing stages. Guys, we're in the finishing stages on this major home remodeling project. Now what's gonna happen is the sheetrock crew, we're gonna have, they just finished up, so the spackling crew is gonna come in. And then shortly after that, we'll have the trim crew and the tile crew. So once they wrap up, we'll be painting, putting the finishing touches on this project, the railings, the doorknobs, and you know, miscellaneous items that are throughout the house, and we're going to be done. So we're going through this quickly, and you saw just in almost 3, a little over 3 days, we sheetrocked this entire house. But if you have any questions regarding your home remodeling project, give us a call. Ask for me. I'm Dave. My number is 201-774-3733. We specialize in air levels and complete home remodeling projects throughout New Jersey. And if you're looking for a construction loan, we can help you out with that process as well. Again, our number is 201-774-3733. Thanks.